switch the theme editor to the product editing page. Under Template on the left side, click the Add Section button. In the search box that appears, type Vfitz and select Vfitz Matching 3 from the search results. If no matching data is shown, please check if the current product has matching data added, or reselect a product that has matching data. Place the apps component you just added in the suitable area. Menu structure allows you to configure the order and attributes of the Fitment data table. Please note that the input is restricted to certain predefined values: make, year, model, sub_model, engine, which must be listed and separated by commas. Menu alias is for setting the alias displayed in the matching table header label. The sequence should be consistent with menu structure, and they should be separated by commas. You might want to try editing the other settings to change the style of the matching table. To expand the menu across the full width of the page, click on the Apps button located on the left. Afterward, in the right side panel, uncheck the Make Section Margins the same as Theme option. Thank you for watching, and I hope this can help you.